In this video, I will show you how to fix the Samsung menu button if it is not working. Many users face this issue where the menu or recent apps button stops responding. This can be frustrating, especially when you need to switch between apps quickly. But don't worry, I will guide you through some simple steps to solve this problem. To begin, swipe down from the top of your screen to access the notification panel. Here, you'll see a gear icon at the top right corner. Tap on it to open your device settings. Once you're in the settings page, scroll all the way down until you reach General Management. Tap on it to continue. Now, scroll down again until you find an option labeled Reset. Tap on that. You'll be presented with several reset options. For our purpose today, select Reset All Settings. After selecting Reset All Settings, tap on the Reset Settings button. You will need to enter your current PIN for security purposes. Once entered, confirm and proceed. After resetting, check if your menu button is now responsive. If resetting all settings didn't resolve the issue, don't fret, there are other adjustments we can make. Return to your device's main settings page. Scroll down until you locate an option called Display. Tap on it to access display-related settings. Next, scroll down until you find Navigation Bar. Select this option. Ensure that Buttons is selected as your navigation method. Now tap on More Options where you'll have additional customization features available. Here's where things get interesting, you can change the order of buttons here. Try adjusting them, sometimes a simple rearrangement can help restore functionality. Additionally, consider switching from buttons mode to swipe gestures. This alternative method might provide a different user experience and potentially solve any lingering issues with your menu button. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.